I use a lot of LED lights and monitors, camera monitors that use the Sony battery, L series batteries, and the NPF 970s is a very common model. This is an official Sony, but there are a lot of knockoffs. The problem is, I need to use a lot of these if I'm on a long shoot. So what I did was I purchased Sony's official dual L series chargers, which also has a feature that you can use as it has a dummy battery that you can power like an AC. It's very versatile, but in my usage, it takes a while to charge these 970s, sometimes overnight. So I can only charge 2 at a time if I'm on a long travel shoot. And I wanted to charge more batteries and faster. So what I did was I rented this guy right here. This is just the Dolgen camera power. I don't even know what brand this is. Dolgen. There you go. Can you see that? Dolgen. This one's called a turbocharger. Dolgen Engineering. Fuel gauge technology. There's what it says on the front. This charges 4 batteries, L series batteries, instead of 2. And it charges them very fast. The turbo is not just a name. It goes very fast. I had 4 of these, and within a few hours, I would say 4 hours. So an hour per battery. This is just my estimation. This is not what Dolgen officially says on the web, but in my usage, I charged, they were about maybe 25%, some were 35%, and within 4 hours, all of the batteries were fully charged versus charging 2 that I have to leave on the entire night to charge them to the full capacity. You know, it's large, it's hefty, and you're gonna need its own carrying case for it, but if you have a lot of L series batteries to power all your lights and other devices, this is not a bad investment for those who are on production a lot.